Okay, so I'm gonna make a little movie of what these things look like in the sunlight. There is a piece of cellophane wrapper around the edge here that's kind of actually stuck on there. I am not gonna remove it. But here's the way the wheel kind of looks as it's in the sunlight, with some sun shining off of it. Get an idea of what it looks like up close, how deep it is in here, the fact that there's a little ridge down. This guy on the ridge comes right up to the edge. And the fact that you can replace this with a Jag growler if you want to. And then I'll shoot it in the shade. This is a front. The rears are even wider than this. Okay, here's the VS01 rim in the shade, as promised. Not quite as crazy shiny, but you can still see it doesn't really look like chrome so much as it just looks like very clean aluminum. Get up a little closer. Still looks very nice and shiny though. So much easier to deal with than chrome. This is what it looks like on the inside.